To create a simple light switch mechanic, first of all we want to insert two parts. Then we want to group these two parts as a folder, and we could call this light. As a folder means in this case that if we can per folder move these together, but we can also move them individually quite easily. Now in this folder we also want to insert a bindable event, which we are going to name trigger. And then we want to decide which of these parts is going to be the light switch. So I'm first of all going to anchor both of them, and I'm going to say that this is the light switch, so it's going to be a bit in the air. Now we could have this in a house, we could customize these parts to be however we want, but the important thing is that our light switch includes a click detector and a script. So that in the script we're going to write script.parent.clickDetector.mouseClick connect function, and we're going to pass that the player, but we do not need this now. We're going to say script.parent.trigger:fire. This is just going to activate this bindable event if we click on this. Now in the light part we're going to insert a point light, and we can make this be however strong we want. We can make so that it might be like yellow, and however we want the light to work. Now in this part we're going to insert the script.parent.trigger.event:connect function, and we're going to say script.parent.pointLight.enabled equals to not, and we're just going to copy this part over to here. And this should already turn on and off the light switch if we do it. So let's test this out. So let's play here. And if we walk over to this part and click it, it turns the light off. If we click it again, it turns on again. And we can do this how much ever we want. Perfect.